Xavier, and today we're going to be watching A Night of the Seven Kingdoms. It's episode 1. It's titled The Hedge Knight. This is a story about Duncan Egg. So I haven't read the novellas. What I know about their story is based on just like reading a Song of Ice and Fire books, and also whatever that thing is that also the Dragons based on. My memory's going, I don't know why. Also, there's a book called like The World of Ice and Fire, something like that. There's a book that they came out that was like all about the world of like Westeros and the Eastern. Is Easter's? Jeez, my memory is gone. I don't know. Anyway, it's been a while since I've read all these things. Yeah, so man, but I made it a point not to reread because I want to give this a chance without just like knowing the basic details. I don't want to get bogged down, Yeah, so I think this is like 6 episodes for this first season, and yeah, not much to say. Let's get into it. Okay, so I assume here is burying, because what I know is burying here. Let me not say. I want the show to tell us.
I don't know the right words. Ought to be accepting here. You never beat me when I didn't deserve it. Fuck. Except that time in Maidenpool.
I like the little flashback thing that
the inn boy ate the widow woman's pie, not me. I told you.
Why you?
Oh! Damn it.
I'd leave your sword, but it would only rust in the ground.
And the sword would be useful for you, Ser Duncan. That's
I
one
wish
reason.
you didn't die, sir. Eat like a king if I sold you 3. We could go to a city. King's Landing, Lannisport. Could join the city watch.
Could join
Stop raping, sir.
You could join the what's it called again? The Night's Watch? Yeah.
Fits my grip as well as it ever fit his. And there is a tourney at Ashford Meadow.
The tournament it is. Tournament chat. Oh. Did not expect that at all. Very interesting opening that they did here.
You'll get a copper if you do well, and a clout in the ear if not.
That's egg. That was egg.
There's good lamb, roasted with a crust of herbs and some ducks my son shot down. Which will you have?
Both.
You're big enough for it.
That is true.
Stay the fuck away from me. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sure.
My lord?
I will. Who are you?
Never you mind that one, sir. I'll see about your food.
Okay, alright. Weirdo.
Oi! You thief!
I did not mean to offend you.
I'm a knight, I'll have you know.
You don't look to be a knight.
All knights look the same, do they?
No, but they don't look like you either.
Oh!
If you could bring me to Ashford, I could squire for you, sir. Every knight needs a squire. You look like you need one more than most.
Okay. Harsh.
And you look like you need a good clout in the ear. Fill me a sack of oats. I'm off for Ashford. Alone.
That is a beautiful shot. I love that. Very nice. I'm guessing they're gonna meet up again. I don't know how though, but they will.
A knight with a name, perhaps?
Dunk.
No.
Ser Dunk.
You can't.
I was squire to Sir Arlen of Pennytree. He always meant for me to be a knight one day.
Am I to be a knight one day, sir? As you are?
Okay.
Witnesses, do you dubbing?
Only a robin in a thorn tree.
Know what comes to men here who pretend at sacred oath?
I'm not.
We hang you, naked, lower you down, asshole first, onto a sharpened point, and fuck you dry.
Okay.
Chair.
It was raining.
I'm bullshitting you. Rashford chair. You take a boot to the head. You'd need coin. Imagine the poor farmer charging down Lionel Baratheon.
That would be
A different sort of entertainment.
Yes.
Sir Manfred will remember us.
By scent alone, no doubt.
Oh, well,
If
damn.
you'll speak to your good honour, bring him here with you before the tourney begins on the morrow, and you have coin to pay such ransom.
Oh, Gods no. I mean, I won't have need of coin.
Alright. What? I knew I was gonna do that. I knew I was gonna do that.
Kind of night don't got a stag.
It's a hedge night, ain't it? It's like a night, but sadder.
I'm not.
It's got to sleep in the hedges because no lord will have it.
Aww, that is sad.
Yes, it is.
It might want to try back at Evenfall.
Evenfall.
Goodbye.
Yeah.
Okay, oh boy.
First.
What thing you don't understand her for?
We're not sad.
I beg to differ.
Certainly not rising to the level of a common sad. When we win our first tilt, we'll have the loser's armour and horse or his gold. Won't be sad then. Look, it's not a crime against the king to enjoy a nice thought for a choice. It is mine by right.
It's an odd thing to say.
I may not be right, but my cousin's rotten to the core. Knock the seeds out of him. Quiet.
And if I mean to take service in a castle,
It must put its body at hazard for the pleasure of strangers. Ain't that our job?
You're meant to be dead. Find a safer trade, lad. You'll be happier for it.
One whore to another.
Okay, damn.
must you mock me? I was only asking for a bit of help.
Sorry, lad.
Why? We don't mean to mock you. All with glory in their minds, but never in their hands.
Perhaps I will be different.
Maybe?
Be good to your body, knight. Last one you like to have.
Should the dragon discover none but a man in great disguise.
Is my boy in love?
Half man. Half man.
Do I look like a half man to you?
Aye. Half man, half giant. You hungry?
Always.
Lionel Baratheon. The laughing storm, they call him.
I've had a profound thought, if anyone would care to listen.
Oh, sorry, Lionel.
4,000 years ago, our ancestors gathered in that big field. It was this country's first ever joust. Well, I say,
Yeah?
Yeah, fuck was it going to say? Men could not have devised such a joy. So who was it?
The gods?
fuck it. 100 gold to the man, beast, or god who sticks me best.
Hey, do not overeat, my bro.
You ever been punched in the face before?
I don't slouch.
Oh, you've been carrying all evening like a maiden on her wedding night.
The seven above gave you tallness. So be tall, or I will name you a heretic and burn you.
Oh.
Drown you. Drop you off a cliff. I don't know. What do they do to heretics? Burn them.
Yes, that's burn.
What have you brought me?
Sir, I... begging your pardons. I didn't realise...
Wish only for your help. Or your head.
Oh. Okay.
You've come for my head, then.
What? No.
Then why the fuck are you in my tent?
So supper?
Actually makes sense.
Yeah, it does.
Ser Dunk.
That's ridiculous. Do you like dancing?
Doesn't everyone?
The swells heaved, you could lick salt from the air.
Nice. Love this.
Weren't you afraid?
Within every man, there are many men.
Yeah.
That I had to do. Stormlanders had always done. They had done it. I could do it too. Yeah, it was best not to agonize.
Valid.
I agonise a lot.
Oh, we could tell.
I think I agonise too much, and I just end up agonising over that. What chance do I have? Truly.
Well, you have no chance.
Oh, damn.
But it's a great honor to test oneself against a worthy foe.
So what should I do?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think he would know.
I'm really quite drunk.
That too?
Sir Ireland of Pennytree.
Oh, that was Sir Manfred. Okay.
I know your petty knight not, nor you, brother. Be gone.
Damn.
But Sir Ireland took a wound in your father's service.
The Lord Father took 800 swords into those mountains. We've forgotten men who reaped much more than a wound.
I will not be allowed to challenge unless a knight or a lord will vouch for him.
And what is that to me?
Very true. You'd have to ask Sir Lionel. He's the only one who can. At this point.
You?
How did he reach here?
What are you doing?
Cooking the fish?
How did you get here? Did you steal a horse?
I rode in the back of a lamb cart.
I'll have no more insolence from you, boy. Throw you over my horse and take you home.
You need to ride all the way to King's Landing.
You from Flea Bottom?
No.
He's not from King's Landing. He's not from Flea Bottom at all.
There's my pavilion.
That's a tree.
Yes, and it's all the pavilion a true knight needs. Sooner sleep under the stars than in some smoky tent.
Wrong.
If it rains,
The tree will shelter me.
No.
trees leak.
Exactly.
Ser Dunk. It's no name for a knight. It's short for Duncan.
Yes. Ser Duncan of...
Of nothing.
Ser Duncan the Tall.
Never heard of him.
You know every knight in the Seven Kingdoms, then.
Big ones.
You got a name, thief?
Egg.
By rights, I should beat you bloody. Send you on your way.
But you need a squire.
I promise not to beat you. Except when you deserve it.
Yes, my lord.
Sir, I'm only a hedge knight.
For now. You know, I thought that was going to be the end of the episode.
Falling
Not
star
gonna
brings
lie.
luck to those who see it. All the other knights are in their pavilions by now, staring up at the silk instead of sky.
So the luck is ours alone?
Nice.
This city is too small for us, Dunk.
I know him not, man.
This is undignified, sir.
Cool. Okay, so that was A Night of the Seven Kingdoms, episode 1. It was the Hedge Knight, and yeah. So basically, we got an introduction to Duncan. Introducing himself as Ser Dunk. No, come on, bro. That can't work. Ser Duncan the Tall, much better. And we got introduced to Egg. So I won't spoil who Egg actually is, but yeah, there is something deeper to Egg, which is hinted at here because he says he's from King's Landing, but he's not from Flea Bottom. So, how can you be from? You know, that makes sense. But anyway, so we found out that Egg, Ser Duncan is a. Oh, sorry. Let me just talk about Egg first. Nice little performance by the actor. I don't know his name, but you know, he just like Ernest. He's trying to impress Duncan because he sees is the first, assuming first night he sees that okay, oh, I might have a chance to get in with this guy. I want to be a squire. I want to be a squire, so you know, oh, good option. Let me try, and it didn't work out originally, but he did get through in the end, and he agreed to at least be his knight for to be let him be a squire for the tourney. So Ernest so cute, love that so far. Okay, and now Sir Duncan, he is. We see him start off burying his master, Sir Arden, and he's been knighted. No one was there to witness it, but you know he. Oh right, the guy in the was at the inn. I'm sure there's gonna be more to him. We assume, but I don't know. Could just be, yeah. But Sir Arden, or Sir Duncan is then moves on to, you know, after burying his master, he's like, let's get switch to behind the tree doing his business. I was like, oh man, come on. That set the tone for how it's gonna be. It's like, oh, I'm gonna be action. It's gonna be like a lot of comedy in there too. So that I'm sure that's setting the vibe. Cause that I heard that, but okay, the absurdity. Okay, they put it in there. So yeah, I get that. And then I know I'm moving all over the place, but so Duncan from the tree burn his master is like, if you sold the horses, he good, but then he wants to be a knight, you know. He's thinking about, well, should I go to Lannisport? Should I go to King's Landing? Should I go to the City Watch? You know. But he thinks, you know, nah. Let me go to the tournament. Let me enter. I don't know. Let me try to do something there. And hey, I don't know. I don't remember. I don't know how he does in the tournament. I saw the little season trailer. We know he lasts. We know he does well enough. And he fights one of the Targaryens, and he has to be certain stuff, trial by combat and stuff. So yeah, that's the thing. But right, so we know he survives a little into the tournament because you know, otherwise, what's the point of the story? You know. So he makes his way to tournament. He tries to enter, but because no one was there to witness him becoming a knight, someone has to swear for Sir Arlan, which will in turn swear for him, because Sir Arlan was himself a hedge knight, so he wasn't like a real, you know, who a well-known knight or anything. So obviously he was someone witnessed him becoming a knight, so he's fine. Sir Arlan was fine, but he wasn't well known, so if it was well known, then it would have worked out. But not. So has this squire who is now a knight. Sir Duncan needs some help, and he was waiting around for Sir Manfred, and finally got him, and don't remember Sir Harlan. So that's a dead end. Um, uh, why would Sir Manfred care? Like nothing to him. So valid. I see it. He has no reason to help out this guy. And he's fine just like doing his thing with the horse and just entering the tournament and doing like his lordy stuff. So I'll say to him. But it is what it is. But Sir Duncan does meet Sir Lionel, who like he loosens him up a bit. He also met a Fossaway. The name's kind of sick with me, but they are, and he gets into Sir Lionel Baratheon's tent, loosens him up a bit, and he befriends him a little, and if he has some food and drink for the night, and yeah, so good for him. I'm assuming that it'll have to be Sir Lionel who vouches for him to allow him to enter the tournament. I don't know. We'll see. That's how it's setting up. So yeah. And so nice little first episode, nice introduction. We learned a little bit about Duncan, a little bit about Egg. Not enough about Egg, but we learned a little bit of his orphan. But at least his mother is dead, and he's looking around. And he latches on to Duncan. Duncan is like trying to be like an earnest guy, like trying to be decent, like well pure knight and everything, trying to be a good knight and everything, trying to do all that. So we get that character is set up, for what we should expect from him, So yeah, looking forward to more. Nice little first episode, and yeah, those are my thoughts for now. Goodbye.